All right. So the idea behind this, guys, so you guys broke out and we're going to basically share, give us some tidbits of what you learned in those kind of, coaching sessions. So who would like to start first? Let's get the advanced team because I know how much they like to talk. All right. So team, what did you learn? What do you want to share? Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's get
wow.
Great stuff.
Oh, I was waiting for other people to jump in.
That's
But...
good. That's good.
No, what it is they could tell you, but they'd have to shoot you.
Okay. Okay. Pause.
We're gonna blurb that.
Pause. Let's start with the best team first. Okay, so let's start with the beginning team.
Back to the advance.
The beginning team. Let's get to the beginning. Okay, so team. Well, the beginning team, talk to us. What were some things that you got from the session today? It's your time to share. Anybody can unmute and just share.
Go on, team. Yeah.
I just want to say that I feel like this is one big family already. I've been feeling that for quite long. But I think today's session was like extremely special in that, like, opening up in front of like the group we had there. I mean, it was like a step further. Like, I can't really explain that, but yeah, it feels even more like family, if that makes sense. So there's that.
Yeah, we definitely had a low emotional session going on there.
Yeah.
We also talked about some interview questions, and Rick was, being very honest with our answers, which I appreciated a lot. And we went through a couple interview questions.
And you'd think that it's like, Rick asking questions and it makes you kind of uncomfortable, but it's actually, it actually makes you comfortable in the process. So it's like, it is a really good thing.
Yeah, and then it kind of makes you hate Rick the more, because he kind of breathes Agile, and then you just feel like, I haven't even started. Like, you just feel, okay, I don't know this thing. Like, Rick, I just don't like the guy.
Way to go, Rick. Way to go.
Hey, we got
You had one job. You had one job.
Rick, one job.
You had one job, Rick.
Wow.
You had one job. Just saying.
This is hilarious.
Just saying, man.
Hey,
way to go.
Back for Alex.
Hey, we can edit
Official
this.
family.
Wow.
Official
Wow.
family.
Wow.
Guys,
we're going to edit that part. You know that, right? So it's going to
Well,
slide.
we're gonna
Transparency, baby.
we're gonna definitely
We're gonna
clean
make
that
a
up in
TikTok out of it.
post-production.
That's
Yeah,
a
we're
TikTok.
definitely gonna clean it up in post-production.
Nay, can you crop that part and just post it on Rick's LinkedIn? Because I think that's a really nice intro video for
You're
him.
making me red here. All right. Awesome. So again, go ahead.
I want to share something I learned from a friend, a mentor of mine. His name is Erich Lula. He's from Uruguay. He taught me something in Spanish. He taught me, we say in my country, if you get burned by hot milk, you cry when you see a cow. So that's apparently something they say. And this is the same thing. I was listening to Victoria talking about her experience of, not being afraid of the cold water anymore because of nasty interviewing questions. I don't know if this is across Spanish-speaking countries, but he told me that that's what they say.
That's pretty cool. I've never heard that before.
Never heard that either.
No, but that's pretty
interesting.
Yeah, I like it. All right, so we're going to jump to the advanced group. Talk to us. What did you learn? Now that you saw what a really cool team, sounds like, now let's see how,
I'm going
you
to
guys.
chime in. So we learned what is the difference between a product owner and a product manager. We learned what it takes to make, or some of the tools that makes a developer better. And then we talked a little bit about Kanban tools and some metrics and different bolt-ons for Jira. What else did we talk about?
It's okay. Maybe your team can help you, Joe. Let's see if somebody else out there.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
We led with quite a long discussion about leadership coaching and coactive coaching, and we discussed forming a study group for practicing coactive style leadership coaching. And then we had quite a let's say, non-consensus seeking discussion around product owners, product managers, CPOs in various contexts, in big corporations, in mini CEO contexts, in people who really do it, and people who over-intellectualize it, stuff like that. So it went a bit on the.
Wow.
And then Grant shared a few Agile jokes, which
Agile jokes. I think we need to get back to our Agile singing.
Yeah, we can't tell those Agile jokes in the main room, though, Joe.
Okay.
No.
Only advanced.
Bad, very bad.
Especially when it's being recorded, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right. So great job, team. Again, this is what we're doing every Saturday, okay? No one's getting paid for this, okay? We're all trying to give back to the community. We've been doing this for a long time. Neilu, do we have anything this Wednesday, or is it the following Wednesday? Just want to make sure.
We have something this Wednesday, and we will reveal it on Monday. Please stay tuned to our website, okay? We do have something on the 30th. So just check it out, and we will announce it. So check out our LinkedIn, our Instagram, our Twitter. We're gonna blast it out via our social media.
And apart from the website, I sent the meetup link for South Florida Agile Association. So there you can sign up, and you'll get actually emails whenever we have a meetup. So I think that's the best way as well.
And then also, just to let you know, I think they have an ATF class next weekend. Neilu, is that accurate? Do you know?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the website right now to see. Let me share that with you really quick. Give me a second.
So Agile, what is it? Agile Team Facilitation? Is that what that is?
Agile Team Facilitation, yes.
Yeah. So that's a pretty cool one, because if you think about all the skills a Scrum Master needs to have, that facilitation is pretty cool. And this is a certification class next weekend. So if you're interested, go ahead and take a look at that. All right. So awesome. Neilu, did you get that link going?
I did. And if you check on the chat, I'm gonna put it again here. So thank you everyone for liking and sharing. I'm sure that you guys had a great time today.
So the idea behind this, guys, we don't ask for much. Okay, we're all the coaches are here giving them their time. The only thing we ask for you to do is please like it, put a comment there, and if you want to invite a friend, that would be great. That way we can keep growing our community, and share it. Right. So that's all we're asking you to do for the Lincoln. That would be awesome for us, so that we can keep promoting this amazing event.